In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an RSS feed in Wix. Connecting your audience with your latest updates via an RSS feed can be a game changer for your website's engagement and connectivity. And I'm here to guide you step by step through this simple process. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about what an RSS feed really is. An RSS feed, short for really simple syndication, is a fantastic way for your visitors to keep up with new content and updates from your website. When you add an RSS feed to your Wix site, you're giving your audience an easier way to follow your blog or any page updates without them having to manually check your site. Now, let's get started on how you can do this in your Wix editor. Begin by opening your Wix editor. If you're using Wix Studio or the standard Wix editor, locate and navigate to the page on your site where you'd like to place your RSS button. This is an important step because the placement of your RSS button can influence how easily your visitors notice and use this feature. Make sure this page is logical for an RSS feed. Often your blog page or home page works best, depending on the focus of your site. Once you've decided on the perfect spot, it's time to enhance your page by adding the RSS functionality. On the left-hand side of the Wix editor, you'll find the Add Elements panel. This is where you can choose the different components you want to include on your site. Click into this panel and you'll see a variety of options for elements to add, from text boxes to images, and importantly for us, the blog-related elements. Within this Add Elements menu, look for the option labeled Blog. Clicking on Blog will unfold more specific components, tailored for dynamic and engaging blog features. Among these, you'll find the RSS button. This is the key element you'll need to make your site updates accessible to your audience through an RSS feed. Once you see the RSS button, select it. You'll need to drag this button from the panel and place it onto the chosen area of your page. Simply click, hold, and drag the button to position it where it fits best. You can adjust it for size and appearance to ensure it integrates seamlessly into the design of your page. Remember, making the RSS button visually appealing and accessible improves your user's interface, encouraging more people to use it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added an RSS feed to your Wix site. Now any new updates from your selected page will automatically be included in the feed. This means your visitors can stay effortlessly updated with all your latest content, helping to increase engagement on your site. I hope this guide helps you make the most of your Wix site. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.